fit my truck. So, I don't know, the LBC, but they had a different man. I'm gonna redo it. Get it all redone. Yep. But this is the truck. It's the maroon red, but it's gonna be white. There's a moto 25 by 12 with a 35 by 12 and a half wheels on it. Got a different bed on the back. I put you can't really see it. It's because it's dark down here, but I got all I have to do in the daylight. But I got a traction bar on it. Rough country for the lift kit. Tough country lift kit. We'll paint the lift kit suspension Chevy orange. But nice looking, not a bad looking truck. It's inside my new house's garage. Show you the tailpipe. But here's the tip. Got a 8-inch tip on it. Axle dumped. But I'm gonna redo it. I got the smoked out tail lights. But a different bed. The bed's silver because the bed that was originally on it was a piece of garbage. It was all beat up. But it's a crew cab. It's 5 people. I did the center or the gauge cluster, painted it Chevy orange. There's the center console. Got my my tail light bar on the center console. But with the stock ster, I got a JVC or Pioneer, I think, doubled in, put it in. And got the mirror flipped over there. Let me show you the pop of the hood. So now put LED interior lights in it, make it look good. I gotta get a new seat, cushion, and new seat upholstery. Put a new one in it. Oh man, it's gonna look good. I'm gonna get a brow for the windshield brow tint on it. You know what I think about right here? This will say Duramax on the windshield. We'll put that. But yeah, it's and then I'm gonna upgrade the headlights and get the halo with the black background. And I'm gonna get the turn signal, but I'm gonna get a strip right here that has for the running light. And I'm gonna get the badass mesh grill for it. I'm gonna take the bow tie off, and I'm gonna paint the bow tie Chevy orange. I'm gonna take the bow tie. I'm gonna sit sideways right here on the mesh grill that I'm gonna get. But let's pop the hood. But yeah, there's the motor. I did the hot side intercooler pipe, painted it Chevy orange. Basically, the whole inside when I get that motor done, and get it to put it in here. I'm gonna do a cold air WCF cold air intake, the whole tube goes down the turbo. Turbo's way back there. I want to get a bigger turbo eventually. I want to put a 68mm turbo, but I gotta get a new one here. We'll put stickers right here. Think about when I have the money buy some parts from different people. But yeah, the truck ain't bad when I get it all done. good old watch videos of Truckmaster 07. He has a truck just like mine, but yeah, the best trucks you could get. It's got kryptonite upper control arms. But I'm gonna paint that Chevy orange. Got those on. It was right there expensive. It was like $500 a piece for the upper control arms. Then I got the drop bars. I'm gonna paint those orange for the suspension. I got kryptonite steering rack with the bad looking steering box, red cap steering box on it. It's gonna look it's gonna look good. But I'm gonna redo the frame. I'm gonna paint the frame with the R15 chassis paint. Get that all done. I'm not gonna put no fender on it. We're more that motor. I'm gonna paint the motor white with the Chevy orange valve covers. And then accessories will be brackets and piping. I gotta pull the turbo off with the thing. It ain't locked up, but it's been sitting for a long time. But it was underwater, but it ain't motor currents. I'm gonna redo it. But I gotta pull the turbo off. Turbo's locked up. Trigger not froze up solid. I'm gonna do that. Eventually I'm not using these manifolds. I'm gonna use the manifolds off this motor. Use those ones off those motors, that manifold. Or I might use this one. Never know. So, but it fits in my garage. Got a lot of stuff in here. Too much stuff. My dad ended up bringing my parts washer from the shop over here. I don't know why. But yeah, that's the LBZ Duramax. It's not gonna look like that when it goes in the truck. But you can see how my garage is. The truck fits in perfect. Close to the door on the back of the bumper, but still got plenty of room. We got stuff in the front of the truck. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna store it up there on top of that shelf. But yeah, the truck's new man cave, the Duramax cave. That's where she's gonna be always parked at. But I gotta get a GPS antenna that's shorter. So I could raise my truck back up. I could raise the torque. I could turn the keys up once to get the front end up a little bit more. And then it'll make it in here. But I want to redo the garage. I'm gonna sheetrock the walls that don't have sheetrock. And then over there, on the other side of my snake cage, I'm gonna put a sheetrock at the walls over there. It's not sheetrock. And then my ceiling, man, it gets hot in here in the daytime, summer. I don't know if I had a temperature gauge, I could tell you how hot it is. But I'm gonna sheetrock the whole ceiling. Have it all sheetrock so you can't see inside the attic. Look nice. Then I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it all white. But put timing plate in the back, and then we'll put an orange strip across the whole garage, make it look nice. It'll look cool. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Can't drive the Duramax right now, or you could run it, but it smokes a lot, and don't run too good. It's got a lot of miles on that motor. It's inside the truck, 335,000 hard miles. This one right here, it's got 70,000 miles on it, so it's pretty good. When I pulled it out of a wrecked truck at the wrecking yard that I worked at, tow yard. But yeah, the truck looks pretty damn good. So see you give you more updates. I'll video of it tomorrow when I get done working. Gotta go up to another town and go pick up a box truck. Go up there and drive it. I want to go use my tow truck that I I drive, go to Woodland and go pick it up. But yeah, there's a truck. It's fucking hot in here, so I just want to give you guys an update on the truck. This is what I have now. I still got the Fords, the 55 Ford and the 63 Ford, and I got those over at my shop. Gonna eventually build those, but this is my daily driver, so she gets worked on. And then I got my murdered out Miata at the shop. Got a bunch of projects. I got like 5-6 projects at my shop. But right here where I live at, I don't have to go nowhere to work on it. Just come out to my garage and work on Duramax. So not bad. But I want to get some Boost Auto mirrors for it with the switchback blinkers on it, make it look nice. Okay, I'm gonna debadge it, and I'm gonna put it on top of the hood. I'm gonna put Duramax on top of the hood, make it look clean. But it's not gonna look red. Probably next month or two, it'll be all classic white with orange suspension, orange brake calipers, orange torsion bar. I'm gonna do that cross member for the torsion bars. They're gonna be orange. And I want to get a bad looking bumper for the front and the back. And then the receiver hitch, I'm gonna get a class 5 receiver hitch on it. Cause I do tow. I use this thing that usually what it's supposed to be. A truck's made for towing. So I tow a lot of weight with this thing. Yeah, it's a Chevy. It squats, but put some airbags in the back, it'll be just fine. So I just want to give you an update. Peace out, homies.